strengthening the major arcana, death. Today, we'll focus on integrating the powerful energies of Major Arcanum 13, death. This often misunderstood card symbolizes deep transformation, the end of cycles, and new beginnings. By connecting with these energies, we allow associated emotions to flow, facilitating change and renewal in our lives. We strengthen the midline to receive, assimilate, and integrate the energies of this powerful arcanum. We release and erase fears linked to change, eliminating fear of the unknown, the new, and transitions. We boost confidence in transformation, increasing acceptance of endings, closures, and completions. We strengthen your ability to recognize and accept the end of life stages that no longer serve you. Whether you learn about these endings gradually or they come as a surprise, we help you embrace change and personal growth. We empower you to allow life's natural flow, connecting you with renewal energy. This opens you to new opportunities and experiences, aligning you with the rebirth that death symbolizes. We help you detach from old structures without trauma or resistance. By releasing limiting patterns, beliefs, and relationships, we create space for growth. We boost your emotional resilience, helping you adapt and thrive through change. We reinforce the integration of Arcanum 13's wisdom, strong to embody the deep understanding that every end is also a new beginning. Strong to align with life's natural cycle. We transform the perception of death. Strong to accept inevitable changes as part of evolution. Strong to view death as transformation, not an end. We reduce fear and eliminate the impact of past losses. We remove confusion, rejection, and resistance. Strong for personal growth. We increase willingness to evolve. Strong to embrace change. View changes as opportunities for development. Strength to enhance focus, balance, and stability during transitions. Strength to stabilize your emotions and mind during changes. Strength to maintain internal harmony. Strength to enhance emotions, sensations, and empowerment responses. During the process of change, we boost, augment, and connect the sensation of control, self-sufficiency, and strong autonomy to the body, recognizing your power to direct your own life. Strength to foster renewal, growth, and balance in a natural, harmonious, and progressive manner. Strength in the face of transformative energies, rebirth, and deep change. Strength at the end of each stage you go through, and strength at the start of new ones. Strength to let go of what no longer serves and make way for something new. Strength for inevitable transformations, so they meaningfully benefit your life. I strengthen your exit points for releasing old energies. Strength to let go of the old, the outdated, What holds you back, mentally, emotionally, or materially? Strong enough to close chapters and cycles by your own will. Strength to let go of what no longer adds value to your life. Boosting your ability to feel, sense, and intuit, to identify and release what hinders growth. We enhance energetic cleansing. Strength to purify your physical and non-physical body from built-up burdens. Power to prepare the ground for new beginnings. We eliminate anxiety, insecurity, and fear of the unknown and uncertainty. Strength to ignite, initiate, and continue your personal growth. Power to face all changes and increase your adaptability. Strength to accept and recognize life and death as part of a continuous cycle. Embrace both shadows and moments of clarity. Strength for growth, evolution, and progress. Power to accept change and shape your future. Courage to face the uncontrollable and flow. Strength to end old beliefs and limitations. Open to new thoughts, feelings, and reactions. Power to transform and reinvent yourself. Strength to connect and integrate everything from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front, and front to back. Strong for all that's possible and inevitable. Strong for all, positive, non-positive, negative, non-negative, and neutral. Strong for change, no change, perception, no perception, integration, no integration. Will strengthen internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and all geometric vertices to 100% with infinite potential, always. Will erase all that hinders, limits, delays, or blocks erasure, conscious or not, yours or not. We erase to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Strong to reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel now? The same or different?